Good morning, back up on the roof. As you can see behind me there, we've got the mounting system. It's called a Van der Valk mounting system. And just down beside me here, you can see that's the ballast, that's the big concrete slabs that they put on top of the mounting system to hold it down so it doesn't blow away. It gets quite windy up here on the roof. So we're only a few days in. As you can see, it's AJ Taylor's doing most of the work, to be honest, but as you can see, they've come along quite a long way. We've got all the panels downstairs. They've got to lift them all up here. They're going to hoist them up on a kind of a scissor jack. They're going to get them up on here. So yeah, nice morning. So I thought I'd do a quick video. As you can see, hopefully we're going to get some nice sun up here. We're going to get all the panels up here, and we've also got the inverter fitted downstairs, so maybe I'll go down and we'll have a quick look at the inverter as well. So we're inside the building. We'll just have a quick look at the inverter they fitted. You see it's called Solar Edge, 32 kilowatt inverter. This is where it's going to feed into the network, into the grid, just on the mains board just next to it. This is on obviously the external wall, so they're going to come down from the roof down and into here with the DC strings from the solar panel, and then it's going to go up and feed into the grid. There's not much more we can say about that really. It's an inverter, it's quite a nice one. It does lots of fancy things, but we'll have a look at that maybe when it's all connected in. We can see how it goes, connects to the cloud and tells us how much energy we're producing. Okay, so the panels are all down, as you can see behind me. You can see the sun bouncing off the panels there. They're all down, they're all fitted, we're all connected to the inverter. It's Monday morning, and ever since Friday afternoon we're now officially generating electricity from our solar panels, so it's quite exciting. At the moment we can't quite tell how much power we're producing. We've got to get a sign on to the Solar Edge inverter so we can have a look, see how much we're generating, how much we're using, so that'd be quite interesting. But I thought I'd do a quick update because we're now officially generating.